Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, step-by-step way to find files that were modified last year on Dropbox, using the updated app features. Whether you're looking for an important document or a photo you edited a while back, this guide will help you locate those files quickly and easily. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Once you're inside the app, you'll notice the search bar right at the top of the screen. Tap on that search bar to activate it and get started. Next, look for the filter options. On the right side of the search bar, you'll see a small icon that looks like a calendar or a date symbol. This is the date filter icon. Tap that to open your date filtering options. From the list of filters, select Date Modified Last Year. This tells Dropbox to only show files that were changed or updated during the entire previous calendar year. It's a great way to narrow down your search if you know roughly when you worked on a file but can't quite remember its name. Once you've selected the last year option, go back to the search bar and enter the name of the file or keywords related to it. Even if you only remember part of the title, Dropbox's search is smart enough to find files that match your input. After typing in your search terms, just hit the search button. Dropbox will then show you all the files that fit both the date modified filter and your search query. This combination makes it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through years of files, and that's all there is to it. By using these updated steps, opening Dropbox, tapping the search bar, filtering by the date modified last year, and entering your file name, you can effortlessly track down any file modified in the past year. Give it a try next time you need to dig up something from your Dropbox history. It's quick, efficient, and saves you a ton of time. Thanks for watching.